you could see what a wreck your house is, you'd be happy that they've got you locked in here to fix it. I hear the sound of a chainsaw in the background, so I know Jamie and Victor are working on fixing Priya, the tiger's cage. During those heavy winds that we had, a tree went down. Thankfully, we had her locked up because that's our protocol to do that. But it would have been a ramp out of the cage otherwise, so now they are repairing all of the damage that was done by that.
We have to cut it to go actually into the safety gate.
Well, that should
so
be fun.
2 panels instead of... Man, you guys are gonna have to paint it afterwards.
Oh, yeah,
Just gives a heads up.
I like that.
Put it down. I'm just gonna close these doors and carry it the rest of the way.
All right, perfect.
So, just hold it.
Yeah.
Cool.
That went better than I thought.
Oh,
I
took the camera
didn't.
out?
Pardon?
Is that why you took the camera out? You thought we were gonna...
Well, I was going to film all of it, but I really thought you guys would be much more amusing. Well, it turns out you work smarter, not harder. Along with your knife. See if you guys do as good a job as the ladies did getting through the doors.
Oh no. That's gonna be a struggle.
They did a pretty amazing job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's any way you'd do that one door at a time, looking at the top of that.
Yeah.
Our usual protocol is we open one door, put everything in the safety entrance, and then open the next door. But we've already put padlocks on her doors that take her out to that area, so they can have both doors open. They're gonna fix it for you right now. Right now. That pole was stuck through the gate to keep her from lifting the door, even though that would just let her into another room that nobody's going in. But this way it keeps her away from the door where they're coming in and out so that she doesn't reach through. Oh my goodness.
You guys can just go because we're closed up.
Okay.
I don't know if they told you when they were over there, but they wanted where ours is, which is between the ladders and the cage. So all they have to do is lift it up. Cool.
I really love this enclosure. It's so pretty. Cats have their little paths all worn through the woods. well, you cut it away real nice. I don't think Victor's ladder's over far enough either.
I have my roof all the way back.
We could go past the roots.
Watch yourself on all those pokies right behind you.
I don't have any matching anything except for right here.
How did we do it the first time? You're trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. How about brute strength?
stronger on this side at least. Okay.
Were you able to get that really high top rail on? How'd you guys do that? It didn't look like you could even reach it.
You had to like put the ladders against the fence.
Oh man.
But that's the maximum amount of height you could get, is however high that was.
Jamie and Victor got the very top row hooked on up there, so the only thing left to do now is to haul all the scraps out, cut up this tree into little bits that can be carried out, and then they got to repair the hot wire because we had to break it loose in order to get those pieces up there. But then it'll be done, maybe tomorrow, and then she'll be so happy to go out there. Oh, Priya, thank you for waiting.